Hi, I'm making this video just to talk you through how to change the battery. This is on a 2011 Porsche 987 Generation 2. I do believe that it's fairly straightforward, but when I've googled online, I'm struggling to find a video that seems to cover everything. So here goes. Compartment. Access to the battery compartment itself is fairly easy. If you don't know, there's a couple of twist plugs on either side. This is the original Porsche battery that we're going to replace because it's got a failed cell. Sure. The important figures on the battery just pop straight. You do need to just check on. You see the 80AH. That's basically the battery rated for the maximum draw of the car. I've checked the car itself and the maximum draw according to the data is actually 81AH. Likewise, an online checking tool said that the battery that I've chosen is suitable. That's an 85AH model. The second figure, the 380A, is actually the CCA figure. This is the amount of power that it's got in reserve to start it in poor conditions. As I understand it, the higher the figure, actually the better. Important things to note when we're going to remove this battery is that we need to remove this terminal first. That's the negative terminal. Doing it the other way around can cause you problems. And likewise, down around here, we've got a breather pipe, which we need to disconnect and reconnect to the new battery. So I'm just going to remove the negative terminal. Just slacking it off. And that just pulls away. We want to keep this out of the way. And then we do the same with the positive terminal. Excuse me while I change out for the positive terminal. Again, we want to keep that out of the way. We can then remove the hold down clamp. Now this is a 30mm hex nut. So I'm just going to do this with a socket set. This one's a bit tight, so I'm going to put down this while I just do it. Don't forget to remove the breather pipe. And likewise, we need to remember to reconnect this. And now the battery's ready to come out. When you've removed the clamp from the left-hand side of the battery, you'll notice on this side it's just sat under a bit of a lip. So you need to slide the battery slightly, and now it should just come free. So we've got the new battery in position. This one's a Bosch S5. The data is there. Now, basically, when I was lifting out the old one and putting the new one in, I actually thought that the Bosch was lighter, so I've double checked that, and it's actually 2 kilos lighter, which is always good. Now this comes with transit plugs to stop it from leaking, so we need to remove one of the transit plugs, only one of them, and we need to reconnect the breather pipe. Like so. Now it's time to fasten the battery down. When reconnecting the battery, we need to make sure that we do it in reverse. So we need to, this time, attach the positive cable first. These, I assume, just lift off, which they do. There's actually another plug there for the breather. So obviously you could whip them off if you wanted. So I'll just get this connected up. I'm not going to actually show you me bolting it back up because it's only exactly as it is in reverse. But just remember, positive first.